Welcome to Morph Tech News. Today's top tech headlines coming up. Apple is set to unleash a major software overhaul for the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Google Pixel users are facing significant issues after the latest security update. The Apple TV app receives handy updates with iOS 18.4 and tvOS 18.4. Microsoft is entering the gaming handheld market with new Xbox hardware plans. Gmail introduces a new Add to Calendar feature powered by Gemini AI. Sony plans to enhance PS5 Pro graphics using AMD's FSR4 technology. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on Morph Tech News.